Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Maximize your vehicle's performance with the ultimate guide to coolant sensors. Are you aware of the vital role your vehicle's coolant sensor plays in its overall performance? The coolant sensor, also known as the coolant temperature sensor, is a crucial component that monitors the temperature of the engine coolant. Understanding how this sensor works and being able to troubleshoot common issues is essential for proper vehicle maintenance. In this video, we will delve into the importance of the coolant sensor and its function in your vehicle and provide insights on how to address any potential problems that may arise. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply want to be more informed about your vehicle's inner workings, this video will equip you with valuable knowledge to keep your vehicle running smoothly. What is a coolant sensor? A coolant sensor, also known as a coolant temperature sensor, is a vital component of a vehicle's engine management system. It monitors the temperature of the engine's coolant and provides crucial data to the engine control unit, ECU, for efficient engine operation. Functionality. The coolant sensor serves the primary function of measuring the temperature of the engine coolant. This information is essential for the proper functioning of the engine as it affects the air-fuel mixture, ignition timing and other engine parameters. The sensor helps the ECU make necessary adjustments to optimize fuel combustion, reduce emissions, and ensure overall engine performance. Types of coolant sensors. There are primarily two types of coolant sensors commonly used in vehicles. Thermistor-based sensors. These sensors operate based on the change in electrical resistance with temperature. As the coolant temperature changes, the sensor's resistance changes, providing corresponding electrical signals to the ECU. Hall effect sensors. These sensors generate a voltage signal in response to changes in magnetic fields caused by temperature variations in the coolant. The ECU interprets these voltage signals to determine the coolant temperature and make appropriate adjustments. Understanding the functionality and types of coolant sensors provides insight into their critical role in maintaining optimal engine performance and efficiency. Importance of the coolant sensor. The coolant sensor in your vehicle plays a crucial role in maintaining the optimal performance of your engine. Let's delve into how this simple yet vital component contributes to protecting your engine, optimizing fuel efficiency and preventing overheating. Engine protection. The coolant sensor monitors the temperature of the engine coolant, ensuring that it remains within the appropriate operating range. By doing so, it helps safeguard the engine from potential damage that could occur due to overheating or excessive cooling. This proactive approach to monitoring the engine's temperature aids in extending its lifespan and overall durability. Optimizing fuel efficiency. A properly functioning coolant sensor enables the engine to operate at the ideal temperature, which is essential for achieving optimal fuel efficiency. When the engine is operating within the specified temperature range, it can burn fuel more efficiently, leading to better mileage and cost savings for the vehicle owner. Thus, the coolant sensor indirectly contributes to reducing fuel consumption and minimizing environmental impact. Preventing overheating. One of the primary roles of the coolant sensor is to prevent overheating of the engine. By continuously monitoring the coolant temperature, it signals the engine control unit to adjust the fuel mixture, ignition timing and other parameters as needed to maintain safe operating temperatures. This proactive regulation helps prevent the engine from reaching critical temperatures that could lead to severe damage or even complete engine failure. By understanding the importance of the coolant sensor in protecting the engine, optimizing fuel efficiency, and preventing overheating, vehicle owners can appreciate the critical function this component fulfills in maintaining the overall health and performance of their vehicles. Signs of a malfunctioning coolant sensor. If your vehicle's coolant sensor is malfunctioning, it can lead to various issues that affect the performance and safety of your car. Understanding the signs of a malfunctioning coolant sensor can help you address potential problems before they escalate. Check engine light. One of the primary indications of a malfunctioning coolant sensor is the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard. This light serves as an early warning sign that something is amiss with the engine's functionality, prompting you to take action before the issue worsens. Fluctuating temperature gauge. A malfunctioning coolant sensor may cause the temperature gauge on your dashboard to fluctuate unexpectedly. You might notice the gauge showing unusually high or low temperatures, which can be a sign of improper coolant sensor readings and potential overheating issues. Poor fuel economy. A malfunctioning coolant sensor can lead to incorrect readings of the engine's temperature, causing the fuel mixture to become too rich or too lean. This can result in poor fuel economy as the engine struggles to maintain optimal performance and efficient fuel combustion. Engine overheating. If the coolant sensor is providing inaccurate readings, it may fail to trigger the cooling fan or other cooling mechanisms at the right time, leading to engine overheating. This can cause significant damage to the engine and related components if not addressed promptly. Being alert to these signs can help you diagnose a malfunctioning coolant sensor early, allowing for timely repairs and preventing more severe issues from developing. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's crucial to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic to address the coolant sensor's potential malfunction. Troubleshooting common coolant sensor issues. Is your car's engine running hotter than usual, or are you experiencing fluctuating temperature readings on the dashboard? The culprit could be a faulty coolant sensor. Before you rush to the mechanic, here's how to troubleshoot common coolant sensor issues yourself. Testing the coolant sensor. To determine if your coolant sensor is causing the problem, start by locating it in the engine bay. The sensor is usually positioned near the thermostat housing or the radiator. Once found, inspect the electrical connector for any signs of damage or corrosion. Next, disconnect the sensor and use a multimeter to test its resistance. A functional sensor typically shows a decrease in resistance as the engine temperature rises. If the resistance readings are erratic or constant regardless of temperature changes, it indicates a faulty sensor. Additionally, you can perform a visual inspection of the sensor for any physical damage or coolant leaks. A cracked or damaged sensor will likely need replacement. Replacing the coolant sensor. If testing reveals that the coolant sensor is indeed malfunctioning, it's time to replace it. Begin by draining the coolant to avoid spillage when removing the sensor. Use a wrench or socket to carefully unscrew the old sensor from its housing. Before installing the new sensor, apply thread sealant to ensure a snug fit and prevent coolant leaks. Once in place, reconnect the electrical connector and refill the coolant reservoir to the recommended level. It's essential to use a compatible replacement sensor recommended for your vehicle make and model to ensure accurate temperature readings and optimal engine performance. By troubleshooting and replacing a faulty coolant sensor, you can prevent potential overheating issues and maintain your vehicle's smooth operation. Maintaining the coolant system. Regular coolant checks. When it comes to maintaining the coolant system of your vehicle, regular checks are essential. Make it a habit to inspect the coolant level and quality at least every few months or as recommended in your vehicle's manual. This simple task can help prevent potential overheating and engine damage, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. Flushing and refilling the coolant. Flushing and refilling the coolant is an important part of coolant system maintenance. Over time, coolant can become contaminated with dirt and debris, reducing its effectiveness. Flushing the system removes these impurities while refilling it with fresh coolant helps to maintain the proper temperature and prevent corrosion. It's recommended to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for the correct coolant type and replacement intervals. Coolant sensor cleaning. Another aspect of maintaining the coolant system is cleaning the coolant sensor. The coolant sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring the temperature of the coolant and signaling the vehicle's computer system to regulate the engine temperature. Over time, the sensor can become coated with residue, affecting its accuracy. Regularly cleaning the sensor can help ensure it functions properly, allowing for timely adjustments to maintain the optimal engine temperature. By incorporating these maintenance tasks into your vehicle care routine, you can prolong the life of your coolant system and ensure your vehicle operates at its best. Regular checks, flushing, refilling and sensor cleaning are simple yet impactful measures that can help prevent costly repairs and keep your engine running smoothly. The coolant sensor is a crucial component in ensuring the optimal performance and health of your vehicle's engine. Detecting the temperature of the coolant plays a significant role in preventing overheating and maintaining the engine at an efficient operating temperature. Importance of regular maintenance. Regularly inspecting and maintaining the coolant sensor, along with the entire cooling system, is vital for preventing potential issues. Conducting routine checks and replacing the sensor as recommended by the manufacturer can help avoid costly repairs and potential engine damage. Troubleshooting tips. If you notice any signs of a malfunctioning coolant sensor, such as erratic temperature gauge readings or coolant leakages, it's essential to address the issue promptly. Consulting a qualified mechanic and having the sensor tested can help diagnose and rectify any problems before they escalate. Final thoughts. In essence, staying proactive with the maintenance and troubleshooting of the coolant sensor is a proactive approach to ensure the longevity and reliability of your vehicle. By prioritizing this often overlooked component, you can safeguard your engine's performance and overall well-being. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.